everybody, how are we doing? My name is Jahnavi and welcome to my channel, Expedite Maverick Miracles. Okay, I'm speaking to you from Mumbai in India, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a regular here, welcome back. And please watch this video and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So this video is the tarot and fairy message for the month of September 2020. Okay, so first I'm going to explain to you the fairy messages. This is the magical messages from the Fairies Oracle cards by Doreen Virtue. So, and why I wanted to use the fairies is that, lately we have become very serious, and everything is just like work from home, housework and this and that, and there's very little overall there's a lot of stress in the world, right? Like in terms of what's going to happen to the world. There's a lot of financial stress and everybody is just dealing with a lot. So the fairies, they bring in a lot of lightness, a lot of joy, a lot of magic, a lot of miracles, okay, in our lives. And what are fairies? Fairies are angels of nature, and they take care of plants, they take care of animals, and all they want from us is to basically be environmentally friendly, okay, and so do things which are environmentally friendly. That's what. So now let's move on to the fairy message, and I will be explaining them. So as I explain the card, I'll be keeping it down. So first I'll be doing the fairy message, and then I will do a 3-card spread on the tarot, from the tarot cards. Okay, so the first message, which I think a lot of you will be happy about, is pregnancy. Okay, so pregnancy is the birth of a child, where it brings great blessings to you and the world. So this is some women who are already pregnant. They are due this month. Okay, secondly, a lot of women are, they're just going through their pregnancy. And the other message is that a lot of women who want to get pregnant will get pregnant. September is like a fertile month for pregnancy, okay? And this also shows that it is the birth of a new project. It is the birth of something creative, something new, a new venture that you can do. So that is also pregnancy. And it's also a message overall about taking care of your body, taking care of your changing needs. And and so for women who are not married, not pregnant, or don't want to get pregnant, it's just about giving birth to something new, giving birth to a new version of you, giving birth to your dreams. All right. And and there are a lot of butterflies in this card, which again shows me transformation and changes, and after going through hard times, you are finally moving on to easier times, okay, like you're finally blooming, so like that. And you will also see a lot of butterflies around you as just kind of signs from the universe. All right, so that's what. And the color would be peachy. I mean, that's coincidentally that's also what I'm wearing. And if you see the card, it's like pinky peachy, so yeah, so you would want to wear a lot of peachy, orangey, pinky shades. And that's what the card is. It's also a lot of completion of a lot of cycles, and just a lot of change and transformation happening. Okay, so let's move on to the next card, which is everything is okay. And this says, don't worry, it's all working out in a beautiful way. So, and this is a beautiful card to look at as well. Once again, if you're wondering which card this is the magical messages from the Fairies deck by Doreen Virtue. The artwork is by many different people. And yeah, so it's a lovely card. It says, don't worry, it's all working out in a beautiful way. And this lady, very angelic looking lady, she has all these flowers around her. She has a crown of flowers, and she literally has the animal kingdom all around her. So it's like she's blessing you, and she's just asking you to relax, because look, whatever is happening and whatever is going to happen is going to happen. Okay, worrying it will not change it. Worrying it will just kind of make the situation worse. So if you have to do something about it, you have to kind of take action in that direction. So it's asking you to, first of all, stop worrying. Though I don't think people ever stopped worrying by, other people telling them don't worry. So do something. Okay, keep yourself occupied. Do something with your hands. Maybe do energy work, do Reiki, do something. Okay, so that you don't worry, divert your mind, okay, and take action in your direction. And if you just feel like you're in this constant negative state, then do something that would put you in a happy state. Okay, that's what you can do. That would take your worry off. And then we have this other card, which is amazing. It is ask for what you want. Okay, ask for what you want, which is let the universe and other people know what you need. And this is a very green card. Okay, so green is the color of growth, of fertility, of, again, just abundance also. And there are a lot of dandelions in this card. There are a lot of yellow flowers, like they look like marigolds to me, yeah. And this is a boy, like a baby boy fairy. So for some of you who are pregnant, it's possible that you will have a male child. Of course, some of us will have a female child, but I'm only telling you because this is a baby boy. Okay, so yeah, the most important thing is that your baby is healthy, whether it is a boy or a girl, is that you are healthy and your pregnancy is smooth and your delivery is safe and healthy. Okay, so ask for what you want, let the universe and other people know what you need. So if I correlate it with everything's okay and what I told you, so instead of worrying that this is not good and this is not, I don't like this and so on and so forth, and I'm so worried and I'm so tense and like calling 10 people and telling them the same sad story over and over again, you need to get clear about what you want. And that is literally the first step in manifestation, which is you need to write down. Okay, because we're thinking all the time, okay, we're talking all the time, but you need to and when you are just thinking, right? So when you are writing, you're literally like emptying your brain out. So emptying your brain out of these thoughts. So you take a notebook and you write, what do you want? Like in love life, what do I want? Regarding my finances, what do I want? Regarding my emotions and my mental state, what do I want? Okay, so that is really important for you to ask for what you want. So when you ask the universe, or you let people know that this is what I want and this is what I need and this is what is acceptable to me and this is not acceptable to me, then you kind of start attracting like that, instead of just kind of attracting whatever is coming and just accepting whatever is coming your way. So the first thing you need to do for September, what do you want in September? What do you want regarding finances, love life, health, exercising, energy, food? What do you want regarding finances? What do you want regarding your relationship? So whatever it is, just write it down, and then let the universe kind of take care of it to bring it to you. So then you will get ideas, things may change. And also when you're writing down, you're giving energy to it, you're giving focus to it. And when you're writing, you can write, it's a very you can't do much else when you're writing. So it's a very focused activity. So again, you will be giving your energy there. Okay, moving on. There is do some research, which is you need more information about the situation. Look into it further before proceeding. And here you will have like this very eclectic, interesting fairy wearing very interesting clothes and having really elaborate wings. Yeah, totally elaborate wings.